Welcome to the Python Learn Together, Code Together. Now we will see something about pass statement. Whenever we want some programs syntactically but it has to not to do anything, that time we will make use of the pass statement. That means while we are writing some programs, we need to keep some of the part as a blank. That means we don't know what to write. But if we not write anything, the program will give us the error. But it is situation like we are going to write that in future, but we need to just keep something blank space for the time being. That time you can use the pass statement, so that if that blocks comes, it will just pass from that block to the next coming statements. For example, I'm using the Python interpreter, and here for example a equals to 10. Okay, I'm just typing a equals to 10, and if a is greater than or equals to okay, I will just declare 5. If a is greater than or equal to 5, and I don't know what I have to write here, because I'm implementing some program, but I don't know. The situation is like I don't know what I have to write in this if block. So I'm just writing a pass, so it will just pass to the next statement. And here I'm going to write else, or else, and here I'm going to write print a. Okay, print a. Now you can see it will not, the program not did anything. It will just take us to the next line. That means it will not do anything. It will not printing a, because here a is greater than or equal to 5. Yes, a is greater than 5. So it will just pass. It will just pass our program to the next statements. For example, if I have something like okay, a equals to, now I will write a equals to 20, and if my a is greater than or equals to, instead of this I will make this less than. Okay, if a is okay, if a is less than or equal to 5, then I need to pass the statement pass. Okay, else I have to print the value of a and just maintain the space. That means the print a indentation, print a. Now you can see it will going to print the value of a, because a is this statement, it will not going to this statement, because a is less than or equal to 5, but a is greater than, a is equal to 20, so it will come to this else part and it will start executing. This pass statement is like, here you can see the pass statement is like, it will just pass from this code. If you want to implement something here, then later when the time comes, we need to just write something here. That means when we are going for some large codes, but we don't know what we have to write in some functions or in some class, that time we can use this pass statement in some if block or in some loop that we don't know what we need to write. So we can just use the make use of this pass statement. It will just syntactically it will tells the program that something is there, but when we consider its output, it will not give us any output, or it will not make any harm for our program. It will just pass our program from this block to the next block. I think you hope understand about this pass statement. Thank you.